Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. If you're passionate about art, then you've come to the right channel. I'll draw anything from superheroes to super realistic graphite drawings. I want to teach you some insider tips, some artist secrets on how to make your drawings pop and look super realistic. I'm having so much fun with this channel. I hope you would consider subscribing and turning the notifications icon on so that you don't miss a video. I'm currently doing daily videos and I hope that you enjoy this one. Today I'm drawing Spider-Man. I'm using Copic Markers to do the main majority of this drawing, and the colours that I'm going to go through are a Cadmium Red. The darker red areas are a Cardinal Red. I'm also going to be using Cool Grey 1, 3, 5 and 7. To finish this drawing off, I actually use two coloured pencils as well. I use a black and a white coloured pencil just to smooth out some of the areas. This drawing took me in total about 4 hours and is probably one of my favourite drawings that I've done this year. I've been a massive fan of Spider-Man and Marvel characters for years, and this picture I think really epitomises everything that's good about Spider-Man. His athletic look, his muscular frame. I also added a cartoon background, so if you stay till the end of the video I'll show you how to make this drawing pop off of the page. This was a really enjoyable drawing to do. All of the details around the webbing is probably the most difficult thing that I find when drawing Spider-Man. So make sure that you do follow the lines of the body, so the lines do not just go straight from one point to another. As you're coming down the leg, you can see that the line goes over the calf muscle and into the ankle. The same around the head and also around the body. You can see now that I'm using my coloured pencil. I'm actually using a black coloured pencil there just to make a gradation of colour. So whenever you're trying to draw something that's rounded like a leg or a head, one line of black doesn't give the impression of dimensional spherical looks to it. So make sure that you are using either a pencil or a dark pencil crayon just to give you that look of dimension. The most important thing for me on this is getting the line work correct, particularly around the webbing. And to do this, I use a Faber Castell Pitt pen. These are a permanent pen and they go really nicely with the Copic markers. They don't smudge into or bleed into the paper. In the darkest areas, like I said earlier on, I'm using a Cardinal Red. And then I'm blending this out. Now, to blend with Copic markers, what you will do is you'll get your base colour. You then use your darker colour in the darkest areas and then go over both of them with your lighter colour again. And what this does is it allows the alcohol to blend the pigments of the two colours together. Adding a background to your drawings will really make this pop. And as you can see, I've got the outline now of a comic book. It's called a comic photo frame or window frame, and I'm going to colour this in black. And what this does is it makes the drawing stand out as if it's in front of the background. Adding this to your drawings will really add a new dimension. I finally finished off my drawing by using a Uniball Signo Broad white pigment pen just to pull out some highlights. This was a really great drawing. I really enjoyed drawing it. I really hope that you subscribe to my channel. And also find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the descriptions below. I've had so much fun drawing this. I hope you've had fun watching me draw this. I'd love to see some of your videos on my website. The card is above. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.